Yeah, y'all got those chicken nuggets y'all have. Are they all white meat chicken?
Yes, sir.
Okay, y'all don't have the dog meat, right?
Sir?
No dog meat chicken nuggets, right?
No, sir.
All right, thanks. All right,
You're welcome.
all right, bye. Yeah, this is the meat department in Walmart. Yeah, I was calling. Y'all sell those chicken nuggets? Uh huh. Yeah. Yeah. The pre. Yeah. Do they come in dog meat or they just all white meat? All white meat. So can't no dog meat chicken nuggets. All right. All right. Thank you. Oh man, nobody got dog meat chicken nuggets. Oh, wait a minute. I know. Hold on. Hello. Hey, Cooking General. Man, I've been looking around, man. I've been trying to find some dog meat nuggets. Nobody knows how to do no dog meat nuggets. Can you come over here and show me how to do a dog meat chicken nugget? Because I called Walmart, I called Brooks Brothers, I called McDonald's, Wendy's. I mean, I only just recorded a few calls that I made. Are you Bill? Okay, thanks. Finally, some dog meat chicken nuggets. Ooh, can't wait till you get here. Welcome to the Cooking General. My boy just called me, man. He said he can't find no dog meat chicken nuggets. You can't find them nowhere in the world today. But I came over here to show him how to do his own and to show you. This is what you need. Check this out. You're going to need a little onion powder. You're going to need some cayenne pepper. You want a little spice on it. Some garlic powder. Some white ground pepper. And some seasoning. I ain't going to call the name because I ain't finna slap the shit out of myself no more. And we're going to need some flour. Some grease to fry it in, about 3 eggs. And you need these big, humongous drumsticks. So I'm going to solve two problems at once. You can't fry this. It's too big. It's almost the size of a turkey. So how can you do it? Let me show you. Come back and Cooking General gonna show you how to do dog meat chicken nuggets. Cooking General, you better ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Check it out now. We got all our seasoning added to our flour. Put how much seasoning you want in your. I mixed mine, pre-made it. I broke my 3 eggs up. I got them whisked right here ready. It's easy. Just take your drumstick, because they so thick you can't fry these things. And you cut your nuggets off of them. And that's what I did. And you cut them and get your nuggets cut off them just like that. And you can probably get 2 nuggets per drumstick because they're so thick. And then you can still fry your drumsticks and they'll be easier to fry next time when you get ready to fry them. Alrighty, there we go. Now, you want to take your nuggets, you want to dip them in your wash. Smooth this out the way. Dip them in the egg wash. Roll them around in there. Open your flour. My flour is already seasoned. Drop them in there like that. Drop them in there. Shake them up. And this is going to be dog meat now, because you can't get them in stoves. So, let's get right here. Let me show you this. After you do that there, you want to try to shake them off. Put them in your grease. And this is dog meat nuggets here. Look at that. Look at that. And remember, you can always take the bones and you can fry them too. And it'll be easier drumstick to fry. But we want some dog meat nuggets right now. And we're going to serve these boogers with some ranch dressing and come back. Cooking General will show you how to do it. And I'm going to show you how you look when they get done. Cooking General. Don't even worry about it. Don't ask. No. Forget it. Don't even ask. Don't call nobody. All right, Cooking General, look here. See? Now, you got your nuggets. Look, that's dog meat. Look, that's dog meat. Dog meat nuggets. They're crisp, firm, tender. Then you can even fry the drumstick. See, your drumstick can even fry better. They thinner. And you can serve that there with your ranch dressing. You got ketchup, hot sauce, barbecue sauce, whatever. Now, that's 2 problems solved at once. 2 problems at once. How you can cook those big old chicken legs and how you can make nuggets off of them. So just tell Kenner, OG, whatever his name is, when he get back, his nuggets are ready. I'm out here. Oh, the nuggets ready?
They in here?
Oh, the nuggets are ready. Cooking. Oh, man. Dog meat chicken. That's what I wanted. And then I got the drumstick too. Oh, man, this is what I've always wanted. I got my nuggets. I got my nuggets, y'all. I got my nuggets. I got my nuggets, y'all. I got my